Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits weekly challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the final prompt for this month, that word being princess. So when I was thinking of an idea for princess, I wanted to make something a little different than I've been doing for the rest of this month. I had been making full illustrations for all the other drawings, but for this one I kind of wanted to make the subject of princess to be a little bit more hidden. So I tried to focus on using a little bit of all the tools in this box. So I made this geometric line piece with some princess crowns throughout the whole piece, kind of breaking up the line work. I really had to think about the order of the materials that I used, since some of the materials kind of cover over other ones better than others. That was a weird way to say that, but I think you know what I mean. And I thought it was just a really fun way to use the word this month to really change things up from what I've already done. But I am going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word princess. Now, I think this turned out pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle each challenge myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!